What's up guys, it's Chef Bryce Taylor with Flavor for Life. Our goal at McCormick's Flavor for Life is to teach people how to use herbs and spices to make food taste better. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make healthier food options by lowering salts, sugars, and fats. And you might be thinking, well, how can I pull that off and still make it taste good? Trust me, it's a lot easier than you think. Today, we are going to be making Crispy Quinoa Chicken Fingers with our featured ingredient, Ground Cumin. Let's get started. I've already added a cup of PANKO to our bowl, so we're gonna add 1 cup of red quinoa. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of white quinoa. Add 1 teaspoon of perfect pinch lemon and pepper seasoning. 1 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 1 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. We're gonna add 1 1/4 teaspoon of flour. And last but not least, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Then we're gonna mix that together really well. Next, we're going to bread our chicken breast. You just kind of want to roll them around the quinoa and make sure each piece gets quinoa on it, all over it. You want to make sure these are fully covered. You don't want to leave any blank spots. And next, we're just gonna bake our chicken strips at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. And there you have it, Crispy Quinoa Chicken Fingers, a healthy alternative to its fried counterpart. And I would serve these with a light salad on top or maybe on the go, just a snack.